Well, good afternoon, YouTube channel. This is Belmont here. And what you see before you is a recent purchase at my local Giant Eagle grocery store. This is a helping hand warded padlock, and it was made in China but distributed through New Jersey in 2019. It's got all the warnings onto it about California consumers, has lead, chromium, known to cause cancer, birth defects, and all their good bullshit. So, hey, if I catch cancer from holding this padlock and I die, well, I'm pretty sure most of my haters would probably laugh and enjoy that. But I ain't dead yet. I am also well aware that certain channels like, say, Locknoob, for example, like showing off his warded padlocks. Well, I only paid $3.79 for this padlock at my local Giant Eagle grocery store while I was shopping, today. Looks like, almost like a master lock. Almost. It's 40 millimeter, branded made in China. And take a look at the warding. I don't have a deep scope where everyone can look inside the lock. And I don't apologize for not having one. However, I do have my phone. And here is the standard key that comes with it. The warding looks, well, fairly simple. However, I have found that this padlock will accept all 5 of these warded picks, including the elusive L. And I am going to demonstrate the effectiveness of all 5 of these warded keys on this lock. I'm going to start with the elusive L. G. Lock snapping open. I believe that's what you call proof. So L works. Lock it back up. And we're going to do the large double. Large double going in, pushed all the way to the back of the hump. Oh gee, another open. Big double works. Lock it back up. Single large. Going all the way back to the hump. Oh gee, it also opens. That's 3. Now we're going to go to the small double. And what do you want to bet it will also open? Here goes. Oh gee, it snapped open. Small double. Small single. Oh gee, 5 for 5. Well, I guess that proves that a cheap Chinese set will work on this particular warded padlock that came from an American grocery store in my local neighborhood. And again, it's called Helping Hand is the brand. Now, I don't know if anyone has a Giant Eagle grocery store where they are, but I would urge you to look in your grocery store for locks as well. You never know what you'll find, and for a very low cost price. I now have 3 working padlocks and 1 that will fully accept all 5 keys. And I found it locally was nothing short of amazing, because I saw it in my store last week. Only one on the shelf. And wouldn't you know it, it was there today. And also, this is also not supposed to be a demonstration of me opening a lock like certain asswipes who, well, I'll just call it like it is. AJ Clark saying, prove that you can pick a lock. I have proven that on my past videos that I can indeed pick a lock. I've picked handcuffs. I've opened up another warded lock. However, I have in fact picked a lock live on camera on Meet Me, to the shock and awe of several people. And that was not me streaming in my own channel on Meet Me. That was being a guest on someone else's stream and showing off my skills. So others have witnessed it. A live demonstration has been shown to Brian of the Game Master's Realm in Ambridge, Pennsylvania. And other people have seen me pick a padlock live on camera. Now, will you of YouTube and this channel of mine get to see me pick it live on camera, showing my face off as I do it? Most likely not. But you've all seen what I look like. I'm nothing to write home and shout about, looks-wise. And hey, I'm not focused on my looks. I am who I am. I have skills. I know I possess them. I have tools. I know how to use them. In the future, I will be making a few more purchases. My final items that I will be purchasing will be from Sparrows. And that will be in the semi-near future when the second stimulus comes around. After that, I'm officially done with buying any other types of lockpicks, unless I choose to go after, well, lever locks and getting the skeleton keys that would run about $60 total from eBay and its shipping costs from overseas, and a few lever locks in themselves. I might even put forth a little bit of effort in learning about disc detainer picks. I might even go as far as to buy the cheap Chinese disc detainer and the cheap Chinese lever pick from sites like Wish or Banggood and sites like it. Now, I also will follow up with this bit of information about Sparrows tools. For those who actually like Sparrows tools, take a close look at the Chaos card that is $16 on the Sparrows website. Looks pretty, right? Yes, that is me clearing my nose. Deal with it. The Chaos card is $16 on the Sparrows website. But if you look on eBay, there is a seller for the same Sparrows Chaos card, only the name is changed to Wilderness Escape Card. And it is in fact selling for $10. And that is with also free shipping. Now, for those who will peruse the website known as Alibaba.com and perchance buying locksmithing, lockpicking tools off there, the Sparrows Chaos card just happens to be on Alibaba.com for the low fucking price of $2 to $3. Yes, that's you heard it right. $2 to $3. And guess where it comes from? Why, straight out of the heart of China, of course. It is the exact same thing sold by Sparrows. It has all of the same pieces. The wafer key with the stabby end. It has the SOS Morse code on there. It has the picture of the knife and a droplet coming off of it. It is the same thickness of steel It has the same punched out handcuff key, or the half of a key. It has the same flat tension wrench. It has the same hook. It has the same triple peak Bogota. It has the same diamond shaped automotive jiggler. It has the same 4 and 5 pin comb pick. If you do not believe me and my words, go view this information for yourself, and I will make a believer out of you. But there's also just one catch with Alibaba and that particular lockpick card, as they are calling it. You are contractually obligated to buy it in units of 500 to 1,000. I have not seen a way around that yet, but that should give you, the viewers, the subscribers, even all the fucking haters, some pause for thought about certain Sparrows tools. Sparrows Tools has their building and their foundation in Canada. They have a warehouse in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. But for all of their neat and tidy workmanship, and their making the picks on site, and all the creators of various types of picks and lock sport equipment, from Bosnian Shill Bill, Harry, aka Lock Picking Lawyer, Ashley, the Lock Noob, Wiz Wazzle, the creator of many types of picks and pick sets for Sparrows. Ask yourselves this: do you really honestly believe now that they were all made in the USA and or Canada and then bought and shipped out to you? If you honestly believe they were, then you are a fool. So, as always, this is Belmont telling you, stick around.